Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to redeem Roblox codes on mobile or PC. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up on mobile, all you gotta do is just open up Roblox and then go to the bottom right, tap on more. Now scroll down a bit and find redeem. Now, if you don't have the redeem option right here, just like what I have in mind, but if you do have one, just tap on it and enter the code and you'll be good to go. Okay, so go ahead and open up your favorite browser. I'm just going to use Google Chrome right here. And then for us who doesn't have, the redeem option, all you got to do is just type down roblox.com/redeem. Okay, and then just hit on enter or search. And after that, you'll have to enter your code right here. And then once done, tap on redeem. Now, if you want it to be in your account, all you got to do is just log in, wait for it to reflect, and after that, you're good to go. Now for PC, well, just go ahead and go to roblox.com. Okay. And then once that's done, tap on your Robux and then tap on redeem Roblox codes right here. So just write down the code, tick this one and just click on redeem. And after that, it will just reflect in a moment. All right. That is how you redeem Roblox codes on mobile or PC. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.